Hi everyone, welcome to my Virtual Robotics Toolkit tutorials. In this video, I'll explain how you can connect the VRT software to the programming environment and run a program. So open your VRT software and get ready for that. Before moving to the topic, I would like to share a few things. You can like and follow ROBO-G Facebook page for the regular updates on the workshops and the classes. You can search ROBO-G Facebook page using the address facebook.com/robog-official, and also you can visit robog.in website for more details about the Virtual Robotics Toolkit classes. You can click on online courses, click on online live classes, and here you will find the details about Virtual Robotics Toolkit regular classes. To connect the Virtual Robotics Toolkit software to the LEGO Mindstorm EV3 programming software, you have to open one challenge mat. So for that, we are opening the cleanup challenge mat. Click on this, press OK. And if you want to open the saved project, you can click on yes. And if you don't want to open the saved one, you can click on no option. So it will take a few seconds to open your challenge mat. So here is your challenge mat ready. And you can see one robot is available in the environment. And to connect this robot to the LEGO Mindstorm EV3 programming software, you have to go to available bricks, and then you can see the name of the robot is available here. And when you are using the VRT software, then you will be able to connect the robot only using the Wi-Fi option. So when you click on this, you can see the robot is connected with the software. And then you can also go to the port view option to see what all motors and sensors are connected to the robot. And that's how you can connect your VRT software to the programming environment of EV3. Now let's see how you can make a simple program and run the program. So I'm making a program. Let's say take a movie steering block, move for 2 rotations, then take a left turn for 1 rotation, and then again move 2 rotations forward. So now there are 2 ways you can run your program. So first thing is, what you can do is you can click on this download and run option, or you can click on the play button here also. So it will play the program. Basically it will download and run the program simultaneously. So let's see this. When you click on the play button, it will run the program. You can see the robot is moving forward 2 rotations, turning, and then again moving for 2 rotations. So this is the first way to run the program. So let's see the next way. So in that case, you have to press the download button here. So click on the download option, and then you have to go to the file option here, the second option in the EV3 brick. So for that, you have to click on the right button. You can see the project's name, the same name which we had the program name given here, and then press OK, and then you have to find the program name. The program name is the program itself by default. So now again we are going to reset our simulator so that we can play the program again. So I am clicking on the reset button. So robot again started from the start point, and then press the middle button in the virtual EV3 brick, and then you will see that your robot is moving in the same way what you did in the previous program. So these are the 2 ways which you can play the program. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you.